So now let's see how we can work around with magic eraser inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with magic eraser, first of all you need to go around onto the eraser tool right here, and you can see that magic eraser is an option. So now you can simply go around onto the area where you want to erase a chunk and then click, and then what happens is that it removes out similar pixels right here. Click and it removes out pixels, as you can see right here. If I were to go around and change around the tolerance level right here, just like this, I can go around and click right here and it can remove out everything, as you can see right here, just like this. Similar samples, it removes it out right there. I can go around and decrease out the tolerance level right here and click, and it can simply go around and remove everything out right here, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can work around with the magic eraser. You can simply go around and then click right here on a certain spot, and then that spot will be erased out just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.